G'day, my name's David Troy, and this is David Troy Salon. So I haven't done a video in a little while up on YouTube. Last year I was really into it and I did a bunch of videos. This year I haven't done a lot of videos, and this is the reason why. Lately, over the last couple of weeks, I've been looking on YouTube, and the amount of content that is out there is just incredible. I can click on or I can type in hair tutorial and 20,000 videos come up. It's amazing how much information is already out there. So I found like my stuff was getting a little bit lost, and not that it was a waste of my time or I didn't enjoy it. I do enjoy it. I just wanted to take a break, refresh, find out what is important to me, and I've sort of been focusing on more on, you know, my salon and obviously being in here, and I've been working crazy hours, which is great. But I want to get back to making content and putting it out there. I just want to make the right content and what's important, what I feel is important. So I hope you like this video. Listen, let me stop. If you're new to this channel and you've never watched any of my stuff before, check out some of my videos. If you like them, hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification so you know when I upload, because I apologize, it's not on a regular basis. It's not 3 times a week, or it's not, you know, every Tuesday. So hit that bell notification and you'll know when my videos go up if you like my content. I do understand that there's endless supply of information out there, and there's some amazing hairdressers. But listen, if you like my videos, leave a comment and hit that thumbs up. That'd be awesome, because apparently that's a good thing for my videos. I'm still trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so don't forget to share them. That would be great. I hope you like this one. So my battery died. So this part of the video, you're missing the most important part, unfortunately, how I put it all together. I still want to upload it though, and I still want you to see the end result, because I love this sort of 50s look. So listen, this is what sort of is frustrating me. Okay, stop for a second. I apologize for the next 2 minutes and 50 seconds of this video. It's just my frustration. about social media or about YouTube, you know, I type in hair tutorial and I just go to today on my computer here, or this week should I say, and 37,000 videos pop up, and probably 16 or 32,000 of them are not hairdressers. The content or the information that's out there is really bizarre, and you know, I don't even know what to say about it, and that's why I'm taking a break. Okay, just stop already. I'm not taking a break from YouTube. I love YouTube as a platform. I'm going to continue doing videos on YouTube. From YouTube. I do it because I love it, and you know, I'm a hairdresser. I've been in this industry for over 20 years and I love it, but I just don't think maybe this is a platform for me. So that's why I think, you know, that's why I think I was going to get off YouTube, you know. Oh my goodness, no one cares. Move on. You only have 400 subscribers. No, because I love the industry. I love what I do, and you know, how do you say? The information that I'm seeing put out there is just, you're competing with so much popularity and if that makes sense. I don't know, I'm rambling, but yeah, so that's why I stopped making YouTube videos. The frustration got to me, I guess. So to be successful, you know, and there are hairdressers that are successful on this channel or on this platform, which is amazing. They've dedicated a lot of their time and put in years and years of work. So I don't know if I'll continue with it, but we'll see. We'll see what happens over the next couple of months, and I'd like to, but you know, it's a time and everything else and blah blah blah. So you know, I'm going to upload this video, I think, or this little rant at the end of, you know, if you've made it all the way through my video, and you're probably listening to this rant going, yeah, I'm done with this person. But if you've made it all the way to the end, I want to say thank you. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button and share them with your friends, and I will try not to ramble on too much.